I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your YouTube TV app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click on settings, just click on it. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you just click here on sports. So then you come here to connect inver Pancom Fantasy Football, click in this sign or this color. So then you click here on the connect here. So then you click here on garage, like you see color it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do to disable it on your YouTube TV app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.